Ahoy there, matey.
Right. What's this then? What, we're in space now, what?
We're traveling to Venus. That's right. On Venus is the gold that you could find on Venus.
Right, what, Venusian gold? My mum used to tell me about Venusian gold, Captain. So,
That's right.
Captain, how do we get on Venus?
Why, we're going to sail there.
Sailing?
In our space boat.
Because there's all the air to sail with.
No, hold on here. You haven't tried it. You don't know what's up there. There's ether. Lots of ether, and ether is delicious.
That's right.
It tastes like lime jello and you know it.
I wonder where we got the ether from.
That's right.
Can I have a little nibble?
Okay, so let's take the wheel of the boat.
It's good ether.
You ate all the ether.
Right.
All right, but first, are you ready now to go to the stars?
Right, to the stars, or at
Okay.
least let's plan it over.
So grab the wheel. We
Right.
need to turn it all the way to the right. Oh!
It's farting down ether.
Hold on.
It's farting ether right out the back. We're bleeding fuel.
My hamster got stuck in there. Did you hear the sound it made? Oh, let's try it off. Sniffy, I'm sorry. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3.
Is that right?
That sounds about right. Oh, we're in space.
It's so beautiful, Captain.
I had no idea.
I hear music. Sexy music. The stars are whistling at us, Captain. They're into us.
That's crazy.
We should go to the stars, Captain.
Let's go to the stars.
For a good time.
Hold on, let me take off the emergency brake. Oh, I'm really sorry I didn't like to do that. Oh, I had beans for breakfast, but let's try that again, why don't we?
What crap.
That was anticlimactic.
Oi, Captain, are we in space yet?
We are in space.
Well, it's time for the mutiny. I'm afraid you better shoot your captain.
You can't shoot me.
Stand down.
You can't shoot me. I have a baby star.
I can try.
Ah!
Alright, Troy. Did I hit it? No. Try again.
No, come on. No. Can you hear the dog going back?
Lasers are quiet. Technology's great these days. What if I vacuum up your star?
No! Oh! You avoided that star with a vacuum cleaner.
Now I'm going to shoot you.
I give up.
Any last words?
I wish I had some more jello.